Food chain. What do you think plants are doing? They are making their own food from sunlight. What eats plants? A grasshopper eats plants. What eats grasshoppers? Frogs eat grasshoppers. What eats frogs? A snake eats frogs. What eats snakes? A hawk eats snakes. This is called a food chain. A food chain is the sequence of who eats whom.